This is a detailed look at the diesel fuel injection pump designed for 6-count ISC8 CPL2101 engines, compatible with part numbers 0, 402, 736, 840, 3,922,426, and 0402 736 840. If you want to check it out or purchase it, the link is included in the description below. Diesel engines are built around precision, and one of the most critical parts that ensures they run properly is the injection pump. For heavy-duty engines like the 6-count ISC8, the fuel injection pump controls how diesel fuel is delivered into the cylinders. The timing, pressure, and consistency have to be exact. If this component isn't functioning the way it should, the entire engine feels the impact. That's why replacing or upgrading with a pump that's compatible and built to specification is such a big deal. The first thing that stands out about this pump is its compatibility. It matches the CPL2101 configuration for the 6-count ISC8 engine, meaning it isn't just a general-purpose unit, it's engineered to meet specific requirements. That includes alignment with the original design in terms of pressure settings, flow, and timing characteristics. This ensures smooth operation once installed, without the guesswork that comes with trying to adapt a part that wasn't really designed for the system in the first place. When you're working with diesel engines in excavators, trucks, or industrial machinery, downtime is costly. A weak or failing pump can cause uneven fuel delivery, rough starts, reduced power, or even total engine failure. Having a reliable replacement like this restores efficiency and avoids extended downtime. That's why it's often better to replace a problematic injection pump before it causes chain reaction issues in the rest of the engine. Another reason this pump is so important is durability. Engines like the 6-count ISC8 often run in tough environments, construction sites, transport fleets, agricultural operations. They're exposed to dust, vibrations, temperature swings, and long operating hours. A pump that isn't built to withstand that won't last long. This particular model is constructed with materials and seals that can handle demanding conditions, so it continues to perform without leaks or wear that would compromise efficiency. From a performance perspective, the job of an injection pump is not just about delivering fuel but delivering it at the right time and pressure. Too much fuel or incorrect timing leads to smoke, wasted fuel, or knocking. Too little, and the engine loses power. By sticking with the correct pump model, you get precise metering, steady atomization, and combustion that produces the torque and horsepower the 6-count ISC8 is known for. This directly translates into lower fuel consumption, smoother throttle response, and more consistent performance across the board. There's also a big factor many operators don't always think about: emissions. Diesel engines are regulated under strict standards, and a malfunctioning pump can throw everything off balance. Poor atomization leads to incomplete combustion, which means more smoke, more emissions, and possible issues with meeting compliance requirements. Installing a compatible injection pump is part of keeping emissions under control while also improving efficiency. For anyone responsible for maintenance, installation matters too. A pump that's built to match exact part numbers like 3,922,426 or 0, 402, 736, 840 means direct fitment with minimal adjustments. The mounting points, connections, and calibration procedures are straightforward, which reduces labor costs and the risk of mistakes. That's particularly valuable in fleet operations where machines need to be back in service quickly. The economic side is worth mentioning. An OEM quality-compatible pump can save money compared to factory direct replacements without sacrificing performance. Because this unit is aligned with the original specs, it restores factory-level performance but is often available at a more affordable price. For businesses managing multiple machines, those savings add up fast while still keeping reliability intact. Another point that often goes under the radar